Hey guys, what's going on? I haven't really planned this out, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload it or not. But, I was gonna wait till Creative Destruction finished downloading, but this is my new PC, or should I say old PC. I got this out of storage, so I've actually figured out how to turn it on because I don't have a battery for it. So if the computer gets unplugged, then I'm gonna have to start all the way over, and I'm gonna lose all the progress that I've made. Like, my whole computer will go back. The last time I used this was 2012. So if this was to delete, it was, if the card was to be taken out and put back in it while the thing's still recording, it would go back to about July 24th of 2012. That was my that would have been my 6th birthday. The last time I used this, I was 6 years old. Well, about to turn 6 years old. But this is just a quick update. I really haven't thunk this out. I'll have another video up in a few minutes, but yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. I really didn't think this through at all.